to show you how to achieve this kind of thumbnail. Are you ready? Let's go. Quickly look for and download Pixellab. Okay, then you launch it. Alright, you click on new interface. This is how it's going to look like. Then you tap on this. You see image size. Then tap on it. Tap on this custom. Then select YouTube thumbnail and OK it. Alright, now we need to change this background, so you can change it from here, this option here. Then you can decide to use color and change your background. But if you have a particular background, then you can upload your own background from here, from gallery. You tap on gallery and you upload your desired background. Okay, you have done that. Then we are going to add our text now. So let's type he knew as our text. Okay, but I don't like this font style, so I'm going to change it. We'll change the font style to this. Let's use this. Then I'm going to enlarge the text to the desired position and shape. Let's assume this is what I want. Okay, he knew. Then what we're going to do here, we're going to play a trick here. The trick we're going to play here is that we're going to copy this text. Alright, this first one, we'll leave it this way. The second one here, we are going to remove the color. So you tap on color here. Please, if you want to make changes to text, it has to be on A. If you want to make changes to object, then you tap on this gear icon. For text, you tap on this. Then you see color, you tap on this plus. You see this third option, it means transparent. You tap on it and OK it. Can you see this now? So this text is now transparent. But of course, we have already added stroke. Alright, so in case you don't have that stroke, you can add your stroke from here. You can pick the color you want for your stroke. I hope you are following. You add your stroke to the desired size. Alright, let's assume this is what we want. Now if you observe my stroke, you can see that there is shadow here. So you can decide to add shadow or you turn off the shadow. The shadow here, you can decide to use white. You can decide to use any color that you want. Now you can see now that I can place this on top of the original text. So here's the magic. You tap on this plus icon from gallery, you import your image. Your image must not have background. Okay, so you can import your image from here. Let's assume we want to use this, but let me use this. So this is my image now. Let me enlarge it. I will enlarge it to the desired position. Then you tap on this. Then this image, you bring it to the middle. Can you see it now? Then this text here, you move it and position it well. Can you see what I'm having now? He knew